Capital letters for special holidays and festivals. We use capital letters at the beginning of special holidays and festivals. Here I have given you some examples. Let's see how we use capitals here. Vesak Poya Day. Vesak Poya Day is a special holiday. So when we write Vesak, you can see here the beginning letter V is in capital. Right? Next one, Sinhala and Tamil New Year. Sinhala and Tamil New Year is a festival. And here Sinhala and Tamil are the two nationalities in our Sri Lanka. That means all Sinhala and Tamil people celebrate this New Year. So that is why it called Sinhala and Tamil New Year. So for the nationalities we use the beginning letter in capital. Right? That's why Sinhala we use capital S at the beginning and Tamil letter T is in capital. Right? So Sinhala and Tamil New Year, S capital, T capital. Next one, Christmas Day. Christmas Day. Right? There even you can see when we write Christmas, letter C. The beginning letter is letter C and that is in capital. Right? Next one, Thai Pongal Day. Thai Pongal Day. Thai Pongal means two words, so that's why Thai T capital, Pongal P capital, right? That because Thai Pongal means two words, so because of that we use capital T and capital P here. Okay? And next one, Ramadan. There even you can see capital R. So likewise, for special holidays and festivals, we use the beginning letter is in capital. And also children, special days. In our calendar, we can see special days. What are the special days? Mother's Day, Father's Day, Teacher's Day, Children's Day. There are so many special days. For each special day, the beginning letter we use in capital. Now here I have given you some examples. You can see in red, the beginning letter is in capital. Mother's Day, M is in capital. Father's Day, F in capital. Teacher's Day, T in capital. Children's Day, C in capital. Likewise, the first letter of special holidays, festivals as well as special days we use in capital. We use capital letters for subjects and all languages. When we write a subject name or a language name, we should write the very first letter as in capital. Now here I have given you some examples. Now it says English language. When we say English language, E is in capital. In red you can see here English language, E is in capital. Japanese language. When we say Japanese language, J is in capital. And all the subjects, the very first letter is written with a capital letter. Sinhala as a subject name, mathematics, Tamil, environmental studies, religion, computer studies, elocution, dancing, music, art. All these subject names, you can go through carefully and see Putta. The very first letter is written in capital, right? So when you write a subject name or a language name, you should use the beginning letter as in capitals. We use capital letters for write towns, cities and countries. When you write a town or a city or country name, you should use the very first letter in capital. Here I have given you some examples. Kalutara town. Kalutara town. When you write Kalutara, letter K is capital. The beginning letter is in capital. Aludgama town. Aludgama town. When you write Aludgama, the beginning letter is letter A and that is in capital. Here in red you can see them. Then when you write the name of a city, Colombo city. Colombo city. Letter C is capital. The beginning letter of the city is capital. Then Candy city. Candy city. Letter K is capital. Then when you write a name of a country, you should write the very first letter in capital. Sri Lanka. There are two words, so we use letter S in capital as well as letter L in capital. Okay, Sri Lanka, that because there are two words. Then Australia. Australia. Letter A is capital. India. India. Letter I is capital. Alright children, likewise when you write a name of a town or a city or a country, you should write the very first letter in capital. And also we use capital letters for titles of the books and movies. Now for examples, English reading. I hope you have an English reading book. You go through the front cover and see the way how is written. It's written as English reading. Capital E and capital R you can see there. Right? Then Let's Spell book. You have a Let's Spell book. There even you can see letter L in capital as well as letter S in capital. Right? Likewise, the titles of the books is in capital. The beginning letter is in capital. Here you can see a picture even in a book, English reading. There even you can see English, letter E is capital and reading, letter R is capital. And also storybooks. You can go through to your storybooks and see Putta, the front cover, how the title looks like, right? Now for example, I have given here Little Red Riding Hood. Little Red Riding Hood. When you write Little Red Riding Hood as a title of the book, you should write letter L in little in capital, red, R in capital, riding, again R is capital, and hood, again H is capital. Did you see children? There's a picture of a book. Even you can see there Little Red Riding Hood. L-R-R-H. right? Those 4 words, the beginning letter is in capital. Then Harry Potter, the movie Harry Potter, there even you can see Harry, letter H, the beginning letter is in capital, and Potter, when you write, letter P is capital. Even you can see here there's a picture of a Harry Potter movie. There even it written as like that, Harry Potter. H is capital, P is capital. Okay. Likewise, we use capital letters as a beginning letters in titles of the books and movies. Alright children, we have learnt about few facts regarding capital usage. Let's recall the lesson again. Remember kids, we use capital letters for new sentences, for names of people, places, special days, holidays and festivals, for days and months, for subjects and all languages, for titles of the books and movies. When you write about yourself, I needs to be a capital letter when it's a word. Then kids, this is the summary of today's lesson. So I hope you all got a brief idea about when we use capitals or where we should use capitals, and I believe this will helpful for your future studies. This lesson will helpful for your future studies. So please go through this video again and again and try to keep these facts in your mind. Alright kids, I hope you all learned today's lesson well. Then I'm going to stop my lesson for today. We will meet in another new lesson. Until then, take care. Goodbye.